I was hardly 3 when I got type 1 diabetic, and it's been 19 years from then, and there's a lot of health issues I have been dealing from. Hello, people. This is Abhay Chandel here. I am DM type 1. I have high BP. Uh, uh, I have, because of diabetes, the retinopathy of my both eyes has been done. Laser operations of both eyes has been done. One surgery of my left eye is pending because from that eye I have not been able to look properly, or things are blurred in that eye. So there's one surgery recommended by doctors which is pending. For now, the most concerning part is the chronic kidney disease. I'm on stage 4, and my nephrologist has suggested us something which is not good to hear also, but what to do, things are like that. My creatinine level is high. It's and the urine, protein in urine is also high. It is supposed to be at least till 30, but it's 1500. Means how many times the double of the limit, I don't know. So doctor has given me 2 months. My nephrologist has given me 2 months. If in that 2 months the urine protein label comes to 600, means if it decreases, or the creatinine is if the creatinine level goes down, then they will be putting me on medicines only, and will see what happens. But if not, if the creatinine level is not decreasing, or the urine protein is not decreasing in any such amount, so they will be going for dialysis. Also, our nephrologist is planning for transplant, to kidney transplant. So that could be the part. Here I am here because the real motto of this video, of making this video, I'm not so familiar and I'm not so comfortable on camera, but I'm here just to mention few things which could save your life or your family member's life, which is key. When we went to the nephrologist clinic, there were a lot of young adults and very young lads, kids were there who were dealing with kidney disease, and they were on dialysis. Some of them were have the transplant, the kidney transplant, and the young adults were on dialysis. The basic reason behind the kidney disease, chronic kidney disease, is the non-prescriptive medicines and the painkillers. It happens everywhere in households कि हम डॉक्टर्स से हम डॉक्टर से कंसल्ट नहीं करते हैं और हम मेडिसिन लेते हैं. फॉर एग्जांपल फीवर हुआ तो फीवर की मेडिसिन हमने अपने से ले ली, हमने डॉक्टर को कंसल्ट नहीं किया. और हमने पेनकिलर्स आर द मोस्ट dangerous and hazardous thing for anybody, because it's leaving an high and hard impact on your body, on your kidney. So we are not knowing कि अंदर क्या चल रहा है. So prefer not taking medicines, especially painkillers मत लीजिए. The root cause of kidney failure or the kidney disease is painkiller. Please do avoid painkillers if they are avoidable. If you can, please do. And do take care of your near and dear ones. Consult your